everyone, I'm Michael Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm filming this the end of September, probably is going to go up early October, and I'm sure you've already watched everyone do their hauls. I did 2 separate purchases, so I had to wait for the second one to arrive, and then just life got in the way, yada yada. You're going to be watching this in October. Alright, so if anyone is new and isn't aware of what the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale is, they do it twice a year in the fall, like September, and then in the spring, don't quote me on the month, April maybe, March, I don't know. But anyways, it's where they will have 3 to 4 brands per day over a 21 day or 3-week period. And so what they do is they sucker you in and have to make a purchase on every single day when you see a product you like. And it will be 50% off. So as an example, this product here from Lancome retails for, I want to say $42, $44. I picked it up in last year's sale for half price, which is $21. And when you have a product that is 40, 50, 60 up, and it's half off, and you love it, oh, that's the time to snatch it. My only little mini complaint is because I always have a product I want to get on the second week on Tuesday, and then the last week on a Thursday. And I am not silver or gold or platinum yet, so I have to pay for shipping. So then what happens? I end up putting more things in my cart so I can hit that $35 free shipping point. I know. There's something about free shipping that I will actually spend more money to get free shipping than pay the $7, $6, $8. I don't even know how much shipping costs. Anyways, enough rambling. Let me dive in and see what I got, because to be honest, I made these purchases almost a month ago, and I don't even really remember. I don't even know which bag came in first. I'm going to start with a smaller, lighter bag, see what's in here. Alright, there are 4 products in this bag. I see the one item I got on sale, and the other 3 we're going to call filler to hit free shipping. Honestly, I don't even remember purchasing this product. I remember looking at it, but I thought it was one I put in my cart and then said, nah. What is it, you may be asking? This is from KVD, and it's the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. I have it in the shade Light 004. Goodness, does Ulta take returns if this isn't a good shade match? Maybe I do remember. I don't know. At first, I thought this was going to be a powder foundation. That's when I was like, I don't know, I'd pick it up. If it's a balm, now I get it. Interesting packaging. It's just plastic, kind of cheapy plastic. It's cute, but not for, well, if you paid full price, not for the price point. And the brand, I don't know, seems like something you'd see on an Elf or Wet n Wild product. All right, annoyance number 1, it does not open all the way up, and it keeps wanting to close. But here is what she looks like. Let me do a swatch. Very creamy, very balm-like, and oh, okay, that looks like it's going to be a really good shade match. Probably a hair too light, but I would rather err on having it be too light and then with contour or bronzer warm up the face than have it be too dark. All right, I will be super excited to give that product a try. All right, you ready for the filler product? One is a holy grail backup. So I have 2 of the Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof. I want to say, don't quote me, some will be on screen, that these were buy one, get one half off. Because normally I don't buy 2 at the same time. But I will definitely use both of them. And the last filler item is a gel eyeliner. This one is from LA Girl. It's the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in black. I am on the hunt for a gel eyeliner that I can put in my upper waterline to tightline, and then when I blink, it does not transfer down below. You will see me purchase a lot of these until I find the one that works, because none of them so far have worked, and I'm sure from LA Girls this was very affordable. All right, let's move on to the large bag, because I wasn't aware of the KVD, so I'm excited to see what I got. And this bag is actually quite heavy for the size of the bag. Ooh, now I see why it's heavy. There is a little filler in this bag as well, And I don't know if this was filler to hit free shipping, because I got a lot in here, or if it was the item I saw, is because I always enjoy picking it up. Alright, so the first item, this here is from JACLYN Cosmetics. I've never tried any of her products. I see people on YouTube rant and rave or bitch and moan, and her highlighters were 50% off. So I thought now's the time, if ever, to try her product. And the packaging is beautiful, and I've heard people complain. This J is raised up, so it makes it hard. You can't stack stuff. Well, you can, but it's not, you know, level. But let's see. Ooh, okay, JACLYN, you get massive points for making this open all the way up. Makes it so much easier for you to look at the product. And would you look at that? All right, so this here is a highlighter. Let me do a swatch because OMG. All right, she is right there. It's kind of a peachy pink champagne. It's beautiful. The name of the shade is Iced. You know what? I'm already wearing an Ofra highlighter, but I'm dying to see what this looks like. All right, let's... Ooh, she's blingy. I just realized my under eyes are looking sad. All right, let's put a little more over here. I digress. That is beautiful. All right, not disappointed. It was one of those products where I've never tried the brand. There's kind of some controversy. I wasn't quite sure which shade to pick up, that I was kind of like, will I regret this? It was in my cart, out of my cart, and I just went for it. No regrets. All right, what else did I pick up? All right, I got my first ever full-on Morphe palette. I own 2 Morphe collab palettes. I have one that was gifted to me from Nola. Thank you, Nola. That was the Manny MUA, and then another one, Madison Beer. I did a collab with Crazy Beautiful MUA with that palette. If you missed that, check it out. But this will be the first ever 100% just a Morphe palette I've ever owned. And this palette, I want to say, my memory serves me correct, was only $9. I'm like, I'm going to snatch that puppy up. All right, the packaging is plastic. This is the Vava Bloom, and based off of my memory, it isn't serving me, but because it's pink, how much you want to bet it's a pink color story? Okay, well, pinkish. Boo on Morphe, this does not open all the way up, so there's a big mirror, which I'm going to have a hard time. OMG, did you guys see that? This entire pan just plopped on out, made a mess everywhere. Leave me a comment. Can I return this to Ulta and will they give me a new one? Because that is pissing me off. Mainly, of course, it has to be a shimmer. But the mess, if you could see, ooh, not going to have fun. All right, where was I? Wow. Hopefully that was Ulta shipping and not Morphe's palette. It's a nice neutral with pinks. It's less pinks. Wouldn't you think it'd be like an all pink palette? Right up my alley. Leave me a comment and let me know how often that happens to you. And usually it's ColourPop. Morphe or Ulta. I don't know who to blame on that one. All right, well... Oh, well, here is a swatch-ish. Wait, can you even see it? It's all over my hand right there. Here's a chunk right there. And I'm going to smear that chunk right there. That is the shade that broke. All right, well... It's one of the prettier shades. All right, I'm gonna stop talking about that. Let me clean up my hand and let's move along. Next item, don't know what it is. Let me take it out of the bubble wrap. All right, this is really cute. There's like a cat on here. This is from JCat, and it's the Love Struck Blusher Bronzer. Okay, that explains. I'm like, that's a really orangey blush. But if it's a blusher bronzer, wait, what? Hold on, they taped it up because I'm like, why can't I open this? All right, there she is there. Let me do a swatch. Interesting that they say bronzer because now that it's on my hands, this is definitely a really pretty blush. It's kind of more peachy, but that's beautiful. Not sure why they call it a bronzer, but maybe just because it's kind of glimmery, shimmery. But yes, all right, let's see if there's an actual shade name. All right, this is in the shade Sweet Pea Pink. All right, next item is another one of my holy grails. It's time for me to stock up on mascara. All right, this here is from Essence. It's the Lash Princess in waterproof. I always use 2 to 3 coats of mascara. I do the Maybelline, and then this is the one I will go in and do my second or third top coat after I've applied my eyeshadow, because sometimes you get glitter, and I just, yeah, this one is really good. All right, what else did I get? All right, this product I do not remember whatsoever picking up. It's from ColourPop, and it says Glowing Lip, although you know me and lip products. What is she? Okay, so it's a little, is this smaller than normal? Is this a mini? It's a lip balm or lipstick. I don't know. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, it feels very nice. That's a pretty color. You know me and lip products. If it was on sale, that's why she ended up in my cart. And lastly, I got a bag of a bunch of different samples. All right, so we have MAC Studio Radiance, Smashbox Photo Finish Red Correcting Primer. Here we have from IT Cosmetics, the CC Nude Glow. Ooh, that sounds good. What is this? From Belief, some kind of cream. Wow, there's a lot in here. Ooh, this is from Shiseido. Urban Environment Sun Dual Care. Ooh, it's an oil-free hyaluronic acid. Is that everything? Yes. Wow. That's better than you get with Sephora. I wonder if they were doing a special that day, or maybe something I purchased. I don't know. But I'm not going to complain over getting makeup and skincare samples. All right, was that everything? I feel like, let me look on my table, which is covered with literally glittery eyeshadow everywhere. And it's going to be a hot mess to clean up. All right, yes, that was the last item. So what do you think about my haul? I'm excited for the JACLYN highlighter. I'm curious to give the KVD Balm foundation a try. I've replenished my mascara. By the way, can you see the eyeshadow shrapnel? Oh, there it goes. I have a new blush. I have a new lip product. And please be my new holy grail, gel eyeliner. Wow, I pretty much could do a full eye look with my haul. Leave me a comment and let me know if you'd like to see that. All right, for those who are curious, I'm going to list the MSRP total value versus what I spent. Remember, a lot of these products were 50% off. So as you shop, if there are things that you're like, I kind of want to try it, it's a little too pricey, do what I do. Make it a loves or a like or whatever. So it's there in your account, and then next year, if it's on sale, you can go, oh, and just quickly move it up to your cart. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor, if you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.